Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a breast cancer awareness wreath, and the wreath form will be a DIY project that I have picked up on my own. Today we will be using Deco mesh from Michaels. I used about 4 of them. These wire, decorative wire, some cable ties. And the Deco mesh came from Michaels, the wire came from Michaels, the ties came from Dollar Tree. The reform came from Dollar Tree. The wire cutters and scissors also came from Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. And this is how you would make the reform. This is 5 feet of decorative wire, and on my circle reform there are 6 sections, so I would attach it around 2 to make it wide enough for your wreath. And I would use zip ties to get the wreath form to stay, to make it look like a wreath form. I will use zip ties and cross these over. And towards the end, once I attach the Deco mesh, get to this part, attaching the Deco mesh, I will widen it out so that it can look like a wreath form. It's going to take a minute, so I will be. Now that we've added the wire to the bottom to make the hanging portion of the breast cancer reform, we will cut the Deco mesh. And how I like to do my mesh, I would roll it once and just snip. You roll. It seems to be a lot easier with the cutter. I have to get me one of those. And roll. Apply the Deco mesh to the round form of the wreath, and also the zip ties to make the bottom portion of the wreath form cross so that it can look like a ribbon wreath form. We would apply the Deco mesh to the decorative wire to complete the breast cancer reform. Like I said, I like to use 4 to make sure that it's full, nice and full. And you would go under, I think. Okay, here we go. And I cut my zip tie and turn it so that whoever gets the wreath, they won't stick themselves. I would continue to do the Deco mesh around the decorative wreaths to complete the breast cancer awareness wreath. finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.